Begin with that breaking news from federal court. Charles Moreau, the former mayor of Central Falls, has pleaded guilty to a new charge of soliciting and accepting a bribe. He's been sentenced to time already served, meaning he is going to be free today. We want to get right to Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly, who was inside that courtroom this morning. He joins us now live with the very latest from Providence.
Patrick, former Central Falls Mayor Charles Moreau will soon be walking free again after serving less than half of his federal prison term on a corruption conviction.
Do you owe the people of Central Falls an apology? I do. And will you give it to them? Sure.
This is footage from more than a year ago. Former Central Falls Mayor Charles Moreau may find time to apologize to the people now that his 2-year prison sentence on a corruption conviction has been cut in half. The former mayor's conviction was badly weakened when an appeals court in an unrelated case ruled that accepting a gratuity after a favor isn't illegal, whereas accepting a bribe before a favor is illegal. As a result, Charles Moreau's lawyer moved to throw out his conviction on a gratuity charge. Prosecutors then said they wouldn't fight that if Moreau pleads guilty to a new bribery charge in exchange for a prison sentence limited to the time he's already served. So that's what happened today. Charles Moreau pled guilty to 1 count of bribery, and a judge ordered him to be set free. Both convictions, each under a different law, flow from the same misconduct. Charles Moreau admits he accepted a $7,000 furnace and $16,000 in home renovations from a contractor friend to whom the former mayor gave a lucrative city contract to board up vacant buildings in Central Falls.
The First Circuit threw us a curveball.
Rhode Island U.S. Attorney Peter Nerona says the fight against public corruption will go on, but with different legal strategies.
Certainly we're going to have to adjust the game plan, but I think another message that everyone should take from this is that the office is going to be relentless on these cases. We're going to keep going in these corruption cases.
Charles Moreau is now the 3rd Rhode Island mayor convicted of corruption since the early 90s. The first was former Pawtucket Mayor Brian Serault, and the second, famously, was former Providence Mayor Vincent Buddy Cianci. Patrick?
So, Sean, where is former Mayor Charles Moreau right now?
He is, as they say here, in the system. He is, we are told, dealing right now with the U.S. Marshal's Office, dotting I's, crossing T's, but in no way, we're told, is freedom an obstacle. He is on his way out. Live here at Federal Court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.